Ready to go, Mr. Ranger? Happy Thursday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. I assure you, that is not bird poo. I just seen that on my shirt. That looks like bird poo. No, it's not. It's paint. I just seen that. Happy Thursday. Like I said, hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. We're on our way to pick up Brother James. We stayed last night at the beautiful truck stop. Beautiful weather last night. We did not have to run. See, he's dribbling. We did not have to run the heater at all last night. I think it didn't drop anywhere below 60 degrees. It felt great, great sleeping weather. So, without further ado, let's get this most bodacious, excellent, and groovy a Thursday started, shall we? Alrighty, friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I just dropped off Brother James. I apologize on my lunch break. I didn't really get time to actually do a video because I had to run and get Mr. Ranger Dog some Benadryl. It turns out that I'm pretty sure, has kennel cough. Kennel cough. It's a form of a cough that some puppy dogs get. They get being at a puppy dog park, many different places. Anywho, I have an appointment set for Ranger on Saturday morning at 10, but they told me to go get him some Benadryl, and if he doesn't seem to improve by Saturday, go ahead and bring him in and we'll go from there. So I went and got him some Benadryl, and Mr. Ranger Dog's cough has been much better this afternoon. His runny nose has been much better, so good things, folks. So a little update on Mr. Ranger Dog. So Saturday he has a 10 o'clock veterinary appointment. We're going to pick up his medication for his hip dysplasia, and also, of course, check him out for the kennel cough if need be. So that's the dealio, that's the situation. I'll see you beautiful people when I get to the truck stop and settled in. So I needed to get some petrol for the old generator. Alrighty, folks, Mr. Ranger Dog and I hanging out here at the truck stop. We got some fuel for the generator. We got some extra fuel to get us through the night because it's supposed to drop down into like the 30s tonight. It's super warm right now. It's in the upper 60s, almost 70, but it's supposed to drop down to super cold. But as you can see, there's other van life folks who stay in their vans as well behind me. That's like kind of like the new up and coming vans. I guess you could make them a little stealth-like or whatnot. So pretty cool, but I wouldn't trade it for my VW bus. I wouldn't trade anything in the world for my VW bus, that's for sure. Anywho, folks, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are just chilling. Just thought I would pop in here real quick. Alrighty, friends. Until tomorrow in the morning for kind coffee talk from the old VW bus. Be kind to one another. Love one another. Be grateful for every single moment of the day and everybody that's in those moments of the day, because you never know. Peace, love, and Volkswagen grease.